that's not open to...
Hello. Hello.
Hey.
May I have your smelly bird? Do something, cat.
Stop messing with me.
It's just a slip. Come on. Get out.
Krieger. Why are you so bad?
Removes the hair wrap while I clean.
But if that's my cat... Oh my God! Oh my! Oh my God! Princess!
No, you want to drink it. Lucky, you drink that. You drink that. And I don't drink it.
Go in the store.
Be hot.
No! What are you doing?
There's nothing there. What's wrong?
Stop.
Somebody come get her. She did.
What are you doing in here? Chemicals in here.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Ay, mag-ikaw! Excuse you!
Ağzını acıdı değil mi salak? Ağzını acıdı.
Come here.
Oh my god, this is not happening.
Decent sized mouse. She looks so far down.
Oh my god.
Okay, come on.
Over these double baked.
Sound.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Pussy.
Dirty.
He's inspecting.
Oh. Buongiorno.
Let me hear a meow.
Oh my god.
Summer.
Stop. You got some right here.
Oh, that's good.
You're done.
Hey.
You are actually giving treats to Belle.
You want me?
I know you're about to bite me. This is my cat, Mimi. She loves me.
Hey.
Hey.
Laugh about it. That wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
So, mirror, 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 stand on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like. Hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z. And no, I did say Susie. Originality, my mom told me that I would be the coolest. Yep. And if people don't like it, then they're
Ta!
My boy.
Holy
Hey, producer. Check out the frosting. Oh, buddy.